The theme for this round of This to That is messaging, a la Emoji Kitchen and custom reactions. So, Emoji Kitchen, you know her, you love her, but if you don't know, Emoji Kitchen is where you can combine emoji into stickers that you can share. So what's happening with this fan favorite is there are some new combos afoot. I'll let you discover and create them for yourselves, but I will say some very exciting things are cooking up in the Emoji Kitchen. And it smells pretty good too. All right, now, in the vein of emoji and reacting and digital expressions of ourselves, introducing custom reactions. Sometimes a simple like or a haha just won't cut it. We need drama, we need expression, we need, well, custom reactions. You can react directly to messages with any emoji to express something that only emojis can get right. For me personally, I think I'm gonna go with custom reactions. I need to express myself with the brevity that only an emoji can capture. What would you choose?